Sticks by Diane Albert. This story begins on a hot summer day when a cold, tasty treat began melting away. It was so very hot and it happened so quick. What once was a popsicle was now a stained stick. Deep in a puddle that was getting quite sticky, this sad little stick cried and felt rather icky. I should not have gone out when it was so hot. I was sweet and amazing, but now I am not. What can I do? This has all gone so wrong. I am just a plain stick. Oh, where do I belong? Then Stick heard a voice from way up in a tree. Hello down there, you can come hang with me. I couldn't help hearing what you have been through. My name is Twing and I am made of wood too. Please do not cry and just listen to me. Before a sweet popsicle, you were part of a tree. There's so much in this world for you to explore. You will get through this and be more than before. Twing quickly jumped down from the very tall tree and said, Stick, there is something I would like you to see. Sometimes things happen and the reasons are not clear, but give it some time and the answers appear. She knew her friend Pencil could draw something grand. Hopefully, you could help Stick understand. I was once a stick too, and nothing much more. But then one special day, I got a grey core. I didn't know how to draw. So I swirled a nice line, and then I discovered I'd make a design. You are amazing! Can't you see? I am just a stained stick. My only talent was melting too quick. I cannot draw or do a fun trick. I'll always be just a icky, sticky stick. Twing knew she needed to show Stick even more, something amazing that he could not ignore. So they went to see Brush. He was once lost too, but now he could paint with red, yellow, and blue. Brush was a plain stick and nothing much more, but one special day he got Bristol's glow. Look at him now, look at all he can do. He easily made that one splatter screw. It is true what Twing said. I was once like you. Please don't be afraid to try something new. I know you are scared. I can tell your face. But it might take some time to find your right place. We believe in you. Can't you see? I am just a stained stick. My only talent was melting too quick. I cannot paint or do a fun trick. I'll always be just an icky, sticky stick. Listen to me. You are pretty great. Don't say I can't. Say I can and celebrate. I know you have not been a plain stick before. You have to chance now to be something much more. Twing saw that Stick was still very upset, so she thought they should go back to where they first met. Back at the sweet puddle of sugary goo, Twing thought Stick might find a good clue. Then Twing looked up. It's been there all along. That little stick house could be where you belong. Twing was excited. She ran up the tree and shouted to Stick, Hurry up, follow me. Stick couldn't believe Twing had climbed up so high. I've never climbed a tree and I am too scared to try. Just then a bluebird flew down to the ground and lifted Stick up without making a sound. The bird placed him gently in the last open space Finally, Stick found his new happy place. This is where I belong. I can make art in a tree. It was quite a journey, but I am glad to be me. Stick never forgot that one hot summer day and was glad that his popsicle melted away. He made some true friends and beautiful tree art and learned it's never too late to have a fresh start. Thanks for watching. Never forget to subscribe.